we are going to try to make a 3-layered chocolate berry dessert delight. This is kind of my like rough sketch of what this will look like. So let's see how we do. So we have all of these little cute little melt and pour embeds. We've got raspberries, some leaves, some blackberries, some blueberries, and you can see them in there. And we're gonna do a chocolate berried high top soap. That's what we're gonna endeavor to do. I'm going to pour in our melted oils. This is a shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, and canola oil based soap. For the colorants, I used a little cocoa powder and black oxide. So that's probably about a tablespoon and a teaspoon. So I'm gonna put that in there into my oils. We're just gonna add a little bit of brown mica to give it like a little, just a little bit of shimmer. Nice. Okay. So we've mixed in our oils. Now what I wanna do is mix in our lye water. Dissolved. We're gonna mix that in. And I'm just gonna mix it a little bit. So this is already pretty thick already. This is a little bit of chocolate, like hot fudge brownie from Country Lane and Berry Burst from Essentials by Catalina. We're just gonna pour our fragrance oil in here. I think we're ready to pour this one. I'm just gonna lay in our first layer for our chocolate berry soap. I try to get this as flat as possible because I want a really nice straight line. I'm gonna endeavor to get a thin mica line. We'll see if this carries through. So we have our oils measured out for our second color, which is going to be like a raspberry color. So you can see I mixed a few colors here. So I'm going to take about maybe like a half a teaspoon of titanium dioxide, and I'm going to put this into my lye water. So I'm going to mix that in. First, we'll start with adding our oils. Add my colorants right here. Mix this. Oh yeah, that's a nice like raspberry color. Mix in the lye water. Getting that titanium dioxide to go in there. Mix this by hand a little bit. It's getting thick. So I'm gonna mix in our fragrance oil. completely changed the color there. Wow. Wow, that is unexpected. Not sure if that's gonna go back to pink. And I'm gonna do a little bit more of this pink color. And you know, it's better than the orange we had before. Okay, so I'm going to spoon this in. Pencil line too much? We'll see how this does. But it smells great. Okay, so now we're gonna do our last layer of milk chocolate for this chocolate berry delight soap. Perfect for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, all the ladies who like the chocolate. We're going to pour in our melted oils. Okay, so we're gonna put that. Nelly, drop the spoon, the whole bowl in there. You know, sometimes things don't go right. But that'll work. I'm gonna pour our lye water into the oils. We'll stir there. Really all we need to do with that. And then we're gonna put the fragrance oil in. Again, this fragrance oil I am sure is going to darken over time as it kind of completely changes the color of these soaps. I'm hoping that they morph back into a more natural looking brown color. So hopefully this does not once again disturb the pencil line we're trying to go for with that gold mica. Alright, and we'll hopefully get most of the way to the top here. So I'm thinking this is a nice creamy texture. It's only like my third or fourth time doing piping. So I'm hoping that this is a creamy enough texture to hold a piping shape. Okay. We'll try to put the darker brown on one side. Some chocolate brown. I don't really, you know, I'm not trying to be perfect here. That's why we want to get a little bit on both sides. Try to fill this up. Hopefully not too much. Okay. I think that's pretty good. Hopefully I can hold it. Okay, so it's still a little soft. Pipe this in the right place this time, because I did not pipe this in I'm gonna try to pipe this in the right place because last time I did not pay attention to where my cutter cuts. So I'm pretty sure I'm off at some point. But this is pretty. How the dark chocolate and the milk chocolate come together to do the rest. Right. Two. I just hope that these are in the right position for cutting. Put our raspberry on the top. Let's put a blueberry on the side. So hard to get them in there without touching it. And then blackberry on this side. And then there's a leaf right here or underneath.
Yeah,
Right
I
here?
think. Yeah. What? No, it's the wrong way. It's the wrong way.
Nelly says the wrong way. There we go. Is that better?
Then make it like, yeah.
So what do you think about these berries? Do they look legit?
Yeah, they look like actual fruit from like the store. Look, and we just put on a big chocolate mountain cake.
So we're just drizzling on some of this melt and pour here. This is the same color we used for the raspberries. And I'm just gonna like filling in some of these kind of goofy parts where we smashed in the berry, and I just want to make it look like a drizzling, what, like a raspberry flavored drizzle or something, you know? We have taken the soap out of the mold and our layers have come through. Look at that. It looks like we did get a little sinkage here in the middle. So I'm thinking it must have heated up during the saponification process. But we are going to get ready to cut this right now. Voila! What are we going to call this soap?
Chocolate cake? Fruit cake?
3-tiered black forest cherry.
It kind of looks like Neapolitan, like chocolate Neapolitan.
Yeah. Way.
You just slice it.
Well, we better stick with that, huh? 'Cause we're gonna lose some no matter what.
Good enough.
All right, let's do it. It's coming down. All right, so we will get better at making sure our designs line up within the 1-inch marks.
We should get like a grid. that we can put
Right
over
on.
top of the soap.
Yeah, I know. Just for decorating part.
Mhm.
But let's take a look inside. Ooh, look at that.
I like this darker.
Ooh, so we got like a little bit of glycerin rivers in there. That's what happens when it heats up. So I know we got some heat going on in there, but that looks delicious. We did try to do a little bit of a pencil line, but it's so thin you can't really see it. Okay. Oh God. Can you see? No, for you. Woohoo! You see the dark in the milk?
Mhm. I like it.
We got some glitteries going on here. We have so we got a little bit of glycerin rivers going on there. I think in order to fix that, we have to do like a water discount because the heat was just too much building up in there. Now this one, we cut the size of the berry. The inside's like perfect.
Man, it looks like little clouds.
Yeah, like look at that. I like that little layered color.
That side good too.
Yeah. Cut our berries in half because they weren't placed perfectly. We're learning, guys. We're gonna get better and better.
It's okay, we got 6 good ones.
Mm-hmm. Sure do, and I'll use these.
Hey, nobody else can use it. I'll use it.
For real. That one turned out really pretty on the inside.
Mhm.
With that pattern up there.
All the chopped ones look the best.
I know, right? Get into the loaf.
That
So
was
that's the
good.
outside of the end piece. And
I like how that one looks on the side.
yeah,
Like the other side.
this part.
It looks yummy.
Yeah, that's totally yummy. Beep, beep, beep. Well, that's all, folks. And there she is, the cut of the soap. Look at those berries and sparkles. This was a fun one, guys. I'll definitely be making this one again. We will be posting this one on our website for sale in about 4 to 6 weeks, so stay tuned. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click like, and ring that bell.